Best Binomo promo codes. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you some of the best Binomo promo codes. So to know what they are, watch this video till the very end. Choose any preferred browser of yours. Here I choose for the Google Chrome. So the very firstly you should go to your Google search bar and search for the dealsport.com. This is the very first website where you can get the promo code from. Here you can simply search for the promo and then you will get the promo codes right there. You can simply copy and redeem the codes there. The second is WeThrift. You can also get the promo codes very widely here. You can search, you can simply get it, and you can get the promo codes up to 90% discount as well. So you should search for it and you can simply copy and redeem it. The last we have is the Sheep the Deal. You can simply search for shipthedeal.com and then you can go to the top search bar and search for it, and when you tap on the search button you can simply copy the coupon code and then redeem it. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.